of my health videos. And are you new here? Please press the subscribe button that you see. Join the family, right? You will always get something that is helpful on this channel, and you don't want to miss a thing. So subscribe, like, share, right? And comment. Permission to dislike also. Permission to put your own views. Permission is granted to tell me, what did you ever see anyone use this for? And if you don't know what this is called a tuna. It is the plant. Now this plant is most popular in my country. I don't know if it's in any other country, but it's just like a wild fruit. Just go away. You don't need to buy this. It's free, right? And if you want some, you can just visit me at Alicare, and if I have permission to send it over the world, I'll also send it, because it's grow here in Jamaica plenty, right? So you know, you have the prickle pear, which is called a cactus, that you have the tree and you have some grow. I don't have the pear now, but I'll show you a fruit. It does the same thing as what the tuna do, right? And amazing miracle. And the reason why, you see, almost everything that I use on my channel, if my family member have to experience it, or I have to experience it before I come and put it on my channel. No, this saved me. Did you know? Do you want to know how it saved me? When I was a little girl, my father had ulcer stomach, and I come up and have ulcer. You know why I have ulcer? I'm always working. I'm a workaholic, people will say, right? And I'm always working, so I don't have time to eat on time. And then I started to develop ulcer stomach. One day I went to the hospital because I couldn't keep down anything. And what they did to me at the hospital, I said never again I would let that happen. They take a tube, a white plastic tube, and push it down my nose. And I wasn't asleep, you know, so I could feel it going down straight to my stomach, and it's attached with a bag. And everything, they would wash off my stomach, because at one point they said that I was vomiting blood. They see a little blood in the vomit, so they had was to do that. So they push it from my nose in. But this plant here, it have no taste. It doesn't taste bitter, it doesn't taste fresh, it just don't have any taste. But there is one thing with it, it's slimy. So when you soak it in the water overnight, the water becomes slimy. So what I normally do, I normally tip a little honey in it. I don't have any honey in there now, but I normally tip a little honey in it if I can't bear it. I just go and I'll be having my moment, and I just drink fast as I can, and then I put a little bit of maybe I have a sweet here, a mint, and I put it in my mouth. It's not because it have any taste, but it's because of the slime, and you know, but I don't want to have ulcer stomach, so it clean ulcer. So if you have bad stomach, having digestion problem, yay. Okay, so I can attest to that, and that's what my father used also. So that's why he told me about it, right? And a neighbor also told me about it. So this is what I use. Okay, do you know what else it's good for? Do you know? It is good for people who having back pain. And also my puppy love it. I have a puppy named Timmy. Timmy loves to eat this plant. He goes crazy for it, right? And I could show you him now. Put the camera on Timmy. Timmy is going crazy for my plant. Look at this. Look at this. He loves it. Alright? Please research before having any intake of any herbal remedies that I give on my channel. Please research before, okay? Because I'm not a doctor and I'm not telling you to substitute this for your medication, but I'm telling you the benefits of it, okay? Not only that, tuna, okay, is good for that, it is good for constipation. So if you're having constipation problem, it is good for that. and bloated stomach, and also it's hard to go into the bathroom. So tuna is also good for that. It's also good for minor pimples. So if you get a cut, you just slice a little piece and just rub it over the cut. I'm not talking deep wound now, I'm just talking a little bruise or anything like that. It's good for it. I don't know if it's good for deep wound because I've never tried it on deep wound, but I don't know for big cut, but I know for minor little bruises it's good for that. It dries up quickly. It's almost like aloe vera. Say aloe vera is good to take away bumps and so forth from the body. If you have a lot of acne or just see a lot of pimples just come up on your face, if you get a little piece of aloe vera, you can rub it on it. It's the same thing with the tuna. Just like how aloe vera is good to shampoo your hair, well, I'll do a next video on what tuna is good for the hair. But you can just cut it and try it in your hair. I'll do an actual video on the hair because it brings out the curls in natural hair. So I will have to get somebody with natural hair to show you that it's good for natural hair and good for dandruff treatment and processed hair also. But when you use it on natural hair, it brings out the curls in the natural hair. So these are the benefits of the tuna. I'll show you the plant and I'll also show you the pear. It's a pear looking fruit that it bears, and also both of them is good for the same thing. It's the same thing. It's called a cactus. In Jamaica we call it tuna, and yeah, it's a wild fruit. So if this video helped you, let me know. Alright, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, comment. Subscribe. Right, so if you don't know what tuna is, this is it. Right, so what I'll do, I'll slice it. Oops. So this is it, slice it, and then the only thing, as I explained before, and right, so I slice it like this, right, and I drop it in the water. I cut it up. You can cut it up bigger, depends on your container. See? I'm just showing you simple what you do, right? And leave it, right? You can also peel it if you want. Some people peel it. Some people peel it like this. Peel it like that, right? And take the middle part, right? And drop it in the water. And you leave it for overnight. Now this amount of tuna, and here I am with my measuring glass, this amount of tuna into a glass full of water like this, right? This amount of tuna in a glass full of water like this, right? Yeah, and you're good to go. Yes, hi, hello, welcome back. This is Ali here, one of my